Hey, just wanted to show you quickly how I'm going to edit this backdrop. So although there is a white creamy fluff in the middle, I'm actually going to use black on it. And the reason is because I just found that it's much easier hollow out a marine and create shadows around. Let's just quickly drag it and drop it. There you go. Sorry guys, it's school holiday and both kids are home with me. Just going to resize it, so click on shift and resize. Alright, so let's say I'm going to place baby roughly around there, maybe. Alright, let's click OK. Back to 100%, opening a layer, mask, and oops, make sure that you are on black and 100% opacity, and quickly going around the baby. Now I'm just going to make sure that I go a little bit deeper and more exact around the baby. Yes, I know I'm doing it very roughly, very fast, but it's just for the tutorial, so it's all good. Quickly going around the baby. Gosh, I made it head look funny. Hold on. Whoop. There you go, a little rounder. Okay. This area here, let's just take this one. Let's finish here. Let's go. Let's do it quickly. Okay. So we roughly got most of the black out, I think. Okay, and now what I want to do is to create some shadows under. So I'm going to start with the shadows under. So let's just duplicate the background and change the blending mode to multiply. Alright, so we got the multiply right there. We're going to open a layer mask inverted by Command I, and I'm going to bring these shadows back. So white brush on 100%. I'm just going to go around it roughly like that. Alright, and maybe with, I don't know, just a little bit more but lower opacity, so it would be a little more blend better. There you go. We've done this one, and we're gonna go back to layer mask on the baby. Let's make it a little bit smaller. Keep it around this number and just bring back shadows. Basically, we blend the dark under with the dark above. So sort of click a little bit here and a little bit there. Make sure you get this all in. And I might move the baby a little bit. Just want to see what's there. Okay, that's just fine. Okay, place the baby there. Back to my brush and keep on brushing. Now if I feel like, I don't know, if it's too dark, I can remove a little bit, but this area there, I'm gonna make it smaller brush and just work on this area here. Blend, 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 a little bit more. And I feel like I need to create another layer just with the blending mode, because my blacks are so black and it looks so dark, obviously. Work a little bit here and I'm just going to quickly remove a little bit of the color, the black on the baby here, because it's just too dark. There you go, a little bit. Okay, and even a little bit here. I'm just trying to find the point that I feel that it looks okay, and I feel that it looks sort of natural as well. I think it looks much better already, and I'm gonna do another layer of that one. I'm gonna just merge that one down already and open another layer and change it to multiply again, and again open a layer mask, Command I to invert, and getting a bigger brush. I'm happy with this opacity, and I'm on white color, so all good. And I'm just gonna go and make this area a little bit darker, just a little bit more for a better blend. So there you go. There you go, a little bit more. Okay, I think this looks pretty good. I might just resize the size of the baby a little bit because I want this area to fall a bit deeper in there. Okay. Yes, you can. It's okay. Right. Okay, so that's pretty good, I think. I'm gonna click OK. I also kind of like that the face is it's almost straight. Or is it straight? I don't know. It looks straight to me. But yeah, now things looks like makes sense a little bit more. I'm gonna click a bit more on, even reduce it a little more. And just click here and there now, just a little bit here and there. Where I feel like you could do a little bit better. There you go. And that looks pretty good to me. Okay, so the other thing that I would do on this one is probably warm the baby's skin and maybe just add a filter on top of everything. Okay, here I feel like it's just got a little bit too dark, so I can fix that. There you go. Don't need this area too dark because the light is also coming from this direction, and I kind of want to show the light here. So as you can see, you just play with it. You just, a little bit more and a little bit less, and then you get it, and that's it. That's pretty much it. The black's a little bit too dark on the baby, so I'm just gonna go and choose levels. There you go, levels. I'll make sure that I create a clipping mask and make it a little bit lighter. Does that look okay? Not on the actual baby, I'm just looking at the shadows now. But I think because it's not warm enough, so it doesn't look so good. Click on there. I'm just gonna bring the baby skin tone a little bit back so it won't look. There you go. So you can see what I did here with the levels. Yep, but it's because it's the whole image. The baby is still like really cold. Let's just add a filter. It'll look much better. There you go. So with the filter, it's just looking so much better now. There you go. So I kind of took all the cold tones away, and everything just blends better. Just look there. Yeah, I'll keep that one because I think it is improving the image. The other thing I would do, probably add some light. I'm happy with this one, so I'm just gonna flatten my image. So you guys use layer, flatten image should be right there. And the other thing that I would do, just add some light to the face. I got my action here, so I'm just gonna do everything a bit quicker. Lower the opacity. There you go. It's got funny kind of mouth pose there. And that's it. I think I could just flatten this image again and one of my filters, a warm tone on top of everything, which is really nice right now. Might add a little bit of contrast. Hold on. Ocean! Quiet. Okay, so I got just an action right there for a warm tone and some contrast, which I really love. And that's it, pretty much done. I'm gonna flatten this image and voila. I don't know how long that took, but it's not a hard edit. It's just like click, 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 you're done. So if you know what you're doing, I'm pretty sure you're gonna do very well. So thank you so much for watching, and if you got any questions, you know where I am. Thank you, bye.